Okay, so today we are doing the third lesson of Daddy's School. For this lesson, we're going to do minus minus. Who knows how to do minus minus? Pretty tricky, pretty tricky. Whenever you have a minus minus, a minus minus becomes a plus. So,
I just said plus.
Great job, Azalea, great job. See? Here we have a minus, and look, we have another minus and another minus.
Should we simplify?
How are we going to solve this? So, let's expand this out. Azalea, 1 second. We have Azalea,
Aww.
minus 1 times the quantity minus 7a minus 3. Remember, minus 1 times minus 1 is positive 1. So we have a minus minus. So plus minus minus, minus 1 times minus 7a plus minus 1 times minus 3. Let's group these terms so it's a little easier to tell what we're doing. Got it? So now we have a, and then we plus. Who knows what minus 1 times minus 7 is? Can anyone tell me what minus 1 times minus 7? Yes, Mommy, go ahead and tell me. What is minus 1 times minus 7?
Minus 6.
Alethea, does that sound right?
Times.
Good, it's times. Azalea, what do you think minus 1 times minus 7 is? Alethea, minus 1? Negative 1 times negative 7 is? Whenever you do negative of a negative, it becomes a... Good, so minus 1 times minus 7 becomes a positive...
8.
Minus 1 times minus 7 becomes a positive...
7.
Great job, Alethea, great job. Mommy, you may need to go work on it a little bit more.
Really? I thought I already worked on it a lot.
Okay, so quiz for you, Mommy. What is minus 3 times minus 1? What is minus 3 times minus 1, Mommy?
Minus 4.
Incorrect. Alethea, can you tell us
3.
what Good. Positive 3. Great job, Alethea.
How'd you know that?
Finally, we have the group like terms. Grouping like terms, we have the a and the 7a. So that's 1a plus 7. We're grouping it. Plus 3. And then Alethea, finally, what is 1 plus 7?
Did you notice that your
8.
pretend mommy
So
voice
finally, this is
sounds
8a plus 3. So now we have our lesson. We learned how to do minus of a minus. Amazing, right? Minus of a minus becomes a...
plus?
And so this simplified into a minus minus 7, which is a plus 7. And then we have minus 3 becomes plus 3. This gives us a minus the quantity minus 7a minus 3 equals 8.
A plus 3.
Great job, Alethea. That's all, folks, for today. See you next time on Daddy's School.